Hi, Jason here from TGN again. Alright, so today we have a SSD from Synology. Alright, it's the M.2 2280 NVMe. Alright, so this is 400G. Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing for this. Alright, so we're going to do a unboxing for this, and it's basically a M.2 enterprise solid state drive, which is very suitable for customers who has all the new units from Synology, which is DS920, DS1520, or the DS160, or the 1921 Plus. Okay, so all these are all the new models that actually accept M.2 additional SSD, NVMe, for being your SSD caching. Okay, so to take note of that. So with that, let me do my unboxing and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so let me do the cutting up. Okay, it's very well sealed. Okay, this is to ensure that it's never been opened before. And right now, let's see what we have. Okay, so we have the plastic casing, and it's covered up. And let me open it up. And all you get is a M.2 NVMe SSD. Okay. And we can see here, okay, it's 2280. All right. And at the back is where you see all your NAND chips. All right. Okay. So that's all. That's all for today, and that's all we're gonna get. Alright, thank you. Bye.